Impact alert for anyone traveling in Northern Virginia this weekend. The Virginia Department of Transportation is calling it the Big Beam Weekend. Some major construction work for I-495 in Fairfax County. Our Lionel Donovan is live in McLean with what you need to know to avoid a traffic headache. And if you get stuck in it, even that's a polite term. Lionel.
That's right, Simone. And actually, some of that construction is already underway right now. If you take a look over here, you can actually see a massive steel girder actually starting to come over the overpass. And starting tomorrow, about 5 more of those massive beams are going to be set up and constructed over the overpass. All that construction starts tomorrow. And VDOT is asking folks to stay away so crews can get to work. Construction crews aren't letting some snow and ice stop them from finishing Virginia's 495 Express Lanes Northern Extension project. Crews first broke ground in 2022, and the project will extend 2.5 miles from the Dulles Corridor to George Washington Memorial Parkway near the American Legion Bridge. This weekend, the Virginia Department of Transportation will take a major step in getting to the finish line.
Our 495 Next project crews are going to be lifting some massive bridge beam girders across the 495 northbound beltway to build a new ramp.
But there's a catch for travelers driving through Fairfax.
We have to close down some lanes, and we will have some traffic impacts that we want drivers to be aware of.
Starting Friday night, only 2 lanes on northbound I-495 will be open and shifted to the express lanes. The lane reductions and shifts will be in place for about 3 miles from the Route 7 interchange until just past Lewinsville Road. The ramps from eastbound Dulles Toll Road, Dulles Airport Access Highway to northbound I-495 and westbound Dulles Toll Road under I-495 will also be closed and detoured. VDOT says these precautions are absolutely necessary, since the weight of the beams that are being installed is measured in tons.
We cannot do this sort of work. We can't lift beams over live traffic. We have to close down lanes, which is why we normally limit this work to overnight periods or when traffic is at its lightest.
The travel agency is now asking travelers to avoid the area for the weekend, so crews can work as quickly and safely as possible. Now, all lanes and ramps will be reopened Monday morning, but you can head over to WUSA9.com and our app for any details in regards to the schedule. Now, the transportation agency says that it's hoping to have these newly built express lanes to be open to the public by the end of the year. They're hoping to have this entire project done by the middle of 2026. But for now, we're live in McLean. Lionel Donovan, WUSA 9.
Well, we can already see how horrible the traffic out there is right now. So imagine 2 less lanes functioning. We appreciate it, Lionel. Thanks for the perspective.
That's right.